about English, the communication part of any industry, right? Communication is becoming really important for any industry to get a better job. Now, communication could be a barrier between you and your job, your dream job. So you will be working in this series of communication with 100 continuous videos on your communication, and we are going to work on every aspect of communication throughout this series. Okay, so small story cut short. Okay, small story again cut short. I was taking my juniors introduction very recently, and I found out many of them were not good at English. The introductions were not correct. Okay, so what do you mean by a correct introduction or a correct way of communication in English? Okay, it's not about your grammar, it's not about your pronunciations, it's not about your vocabulary. It's overall compilation of all of this to present a better speech, a better and an attractive speech which has vocabulary, which has a touch of grammar, which has a touch of style. You know what I mean by that. You need not to be very perfect at your grammars. You need not to be very good at vocabulary. I'm not so good at vocabulary even though, but still, I try to make my English look better by adding my personalized touch to it, my personalized flavors to it, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you a demonstrative introduction which you can use when you're introducing yourself to your seniors, to your teachers or anyone. This may impress them. That's what I personally believe. This is what I have been doing, and it has worked, at least for me. Might even work for you. So I would like to share my knowledge with you. So with this, let's get started, guys. Hi guys, my name is Siddharth, and I am doing my BSc in Hospitality and Administration from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, affiliated by National Council of India. And I have completed my 10+2 from St. Xavier Senior Secondary Co-ed School, Bhopal. Now, talking a bit about my hobbies are watching videos on YouTube, making videos on YouTube, and even I like to play outdoor games such as cricket, football. I can play any game. It should just entertain me, that's it. So I like almost every outdoor game that I can play possibly. Okay, so now a bit about my passion and how I got to this industry. It's very simple how I got to this industry. At 12th, I was thinking what would be the perfect career for me. There were two options. Because I was good at communication, I knew that. And I thought of two careers, mass media and hotel management. And I read about them and I came across this industry, hotel industry, and I am joined. I'm very proud that I've joined it right now and I'm into it. I'm enjoying my time out here. Alright guys, so this was all about me. This was my time. This was Siddharth Mishra. Thank you very much, friends. Okay, so this was the demonstrative video which tells you in small introduction how you can prepare. There could be modifications to this according to situation. There could be a personalized touch to this. Definitely you can add all those things and improve it. But this was just a demo version for people who are at zero level right now. You can copy this down even though if you want, okay? I'm not telling you to copy it, but still, if you don't understand what has to be done, just copy it. तो आई होप ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है कई लोगों के लिए जिनको भी अपनी कम्युनिकेशन सुधारनी है. हम इस सीरीज में बात करने वाले हैं. चाहते जाते एक प्रो और एक अच्छी टिप आपको देना चाहता हूँ भाई के नाते कि आप अपनी इंग्लिश कैसे सुधार सकते हो. तो भाई यार बहुत सिंपल सी ट्रिक हमें बचपन में सिखाई जाती है. रीड करने से अच्छा होता है. तो रीड करो यार, अच्छी चीजें रीड करो, इंटरनेट पे रीड करो. मैंने कह रहा न्यूज़पेपर रीड करो. अभी वो अपन पुराने जमाने में नहीं जी रहे कि न्यूज़पेपर रीड होगा. नहीं भाई, अपन इंग्लिश में रीड करें, इंटरनेट पे रीड करें, अच्छा कंटेंट रीड करें. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का इंटरनेट पेज खोलो, रीड करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. होटल्स के बारे में रीड करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कहीं से भी रीड करो. नहीं मन कर रहा, मेरा एक फेसबुक पेज है, वहां जाओ, कुछ हेडलाइंस होती हैं उनको रीड करो. यू विल फील गुड. द लैंग्वेज आउट देयर विल बी वेरी परफेक्ट. मैं रेगुलर पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ उस पेज पे भी अब से. ओके, so yeah, this was Siddharth Mishra. I hope you like my video, and if you're liking my video, guys, do subscribe to the channel because videos बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, subscribe नहीं कर रहे हैं. Please यार, appreciate the effort, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, spread the knowledge. Every time you spread the knowledge, knowledge gets increased, right? So spread the video. This was Siddhant. Thank you very much.